Cheer up! The world is your runway. Yves Saint Laurent, the famous fashion designer, used to say that fashion fades while style is eternal. Fashion is an art that is notoriously difficult to keep up with as it changes seasonally, while style is impacted by much longer lasting factors. Both fashion and style are closely related to your image and have a deep connection with your senses too. With fashion, you're closely relating yourself with looks, while with style, you're relating with feel. Hello everyone, I am Anshu, your image coach, and today I will talk about fashion and style. Yes, both of them are totally different, but often confused to be the same by many people. Let's discuss about it. Fashion is the relationship to the external. It is more concerned with what's out there, the fashion items in the store. It's a general term for a popular style or practice, especially in clothing, footwear, accessories, makeup, etc. Fashion is the term for the newest creation by designer. It's versatile, short-lived, and keeps on changing. Things that are fashionable tend to go out of trend by the next season. A person is considered to be fashionable only if he/she is following the current trends and must continuously keep on changing their wardrobe as per the changes in fashion. Quite a task. It doesn't matter whether the trend is weird or if it doesn't go with your personality or if it's not flattering your body shape. It's simply a matching process. Yes, a matching process. Whether I am wearing a match for what's out there in the stores. Whereas when we talk about style, it's the relationship to the internal. It's about what's in here, my sense of self, my identity, my perception of who I am. Style can be associated with anything that can make you appear stylish. It is not just dependent on clothing. It may be a unique way of speaking, unique pairing of accessories, a unique way of carrying yourself. And Mr. Obama is a great example of someone who isn't particularly fashionable but is known for being stylish. His style extends beyond his match suits. His style is in his voice, his posture, his choice of words, his haircut, the way he carries himself. I can say it's an overall impression. People who recognize their personal style wouldn't necessarily care much about what is in fashion right now. They will be more concerned about what suits their body type better, or it could be their skin tone or maybe hair color. Yes, they may use fashion as a tool to create their own unique style. The matching process here is between what's in here and how that is reflected and expressed in what I am wearing. Do my clothes match my sense of who I am? Let me tell you, my dear friends, I'm definitely not against fashion. I'm not debating for or against fashion or style. I just want you to give it a thought. Is it you or is it the clothes? It's just about what you want to emphasize. If the emphasis is on the clothes or the items deemed to be fashionable, it's fashion. If it is on the person, then yes, it is style. Fashion can be a way to distance yourself from yourself, which may also be a desirable thing for some people at a given point in time. Let's say people from the fashion industry, some creative field, or maybe people who wish to be a fashionista or love page 3. Style, on the other hand, is a way to build a closer relationship with yourself, as the focus and orientation is on the self. Style and fashion are usually intertwined so much that many times the terms are used interchangeably. But if you strip them open, you will discover they are actually very different from each other. I personally prefer style over fashion as it is everlasting and gives me the opportunity to create my own identity. So, if you also prefer style over fashion and want to know how to determine your personal style, join me in my next podcast wherein I will be talking in detail about a wonderful tool called Yin and Yang. So, stay tuned. This is Anshu Image Coach signing off with love.